Hello, my name is Adheesha from the Visual Communication Department, and this is my final major project. Over the last few years, Sri Lanka has faced one of the worst economic crises it has ever faced, and one of the big reasons for this is its tourism sector going downhill. Um, to the tourism sector being one of the major earners in the country's economy. This, as well as looking at aspects on sustainable tourism, I came up with the question: how can a tourist explore Sri Lanka without the need to travel? This is where my final major project comes in. A Journey Above is a comic book series that also acts as a guidebook for Sri Lanka, and it explores historical events, historical locations, as well as Sri Lanka's community, looking at both the good and the bad sides of the country. It follows a pretty straightforward narrative of two characters, one representing a local's point of view and the other representing a tourist's point of view. These two characters basically float above Sri Lanka on a hot air balloon and goes around the country, exploring basically major cities. And this is where each comic book in the series would basically be on each city. So, example, Colombo. The title would be A Journey Above Colombo, and then say Gaul, which I have done. That would be A Journey Above Gaul. The target audience for my final major project, I mainly targeted countries where there is a big Sri Lankan community. So, for example, Australia, especially in cities like Melbourne and Sydney, where there is a big community of Sri Lankans, and because of this, a lot of people are more aware of the Sri Lankan culture, be it from their Sri Lankan friends or from their Sri Lankan parents or relatives, etc., etc. And the reason I chose a comic book is to basically sort of emphasize on my illustration skills, which I aim to be an illustrator in the future. Thank you.